Yo, yo, good morning. What's up, everybody? Let's get this bag. Alrighty. Let's see. Zoom out. Alright. Cool. Let's get it. Good morning. Who do we got? Malcolm, Jersey, Robert, Eric, Alex, Chuck, MEHBOOB, JJ, Ron, WT, Rick, Alan. What's up, fam? And channel members, as always, greatly appreciate you guys supporting the YouTube channel. Let's actually post that we're live. Market live. Boom. Boom. Cool. All right, we got that posted up. Also, I didn't even realize this because I didn't look at my swing trade account yesterday. But that Best Buy swing that we've been in finally started moving. Get to the daily. So I am taking some off today. 100%. We've literally been in this thing since, I believe, like somewhere over here. So very nice pop up. Actually, looks like it wants more on the 1 hour. But yeah, I'm taking some off at open today. Let everybody know in Team Bull too. Let me post this up real quick. From hold on 1 second. We'll start once I tell everybody. There it is. 7-8 is what we got in. Where was that? Oh, it was much later than that. Right here. There we go. There we go. Okay. So trimming Best Buy at open. Boom. All right, now we can hop into the levels. Sorry, I had to sneeze. All right, now we're good. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades as always. Let me know. We caught a beautiful trade live yesterday, I'll tell you that. Beautiful. We were done in the first 20 minutes of market open. So I do want to go over that one real quick, why I took this trade. Hopefully it helps you guys in the future. But if we're looking at NQ, looks like we finally hit that demand, or we went into the demand Wednesday. Okay. So yesterday, right, we have this pre-market high right here. And I did this live. So you guys, if you were in the live day trading with me or on YouTube or TikTok, doesn't matter, or inside of Team Bull, you guys heard me say, I want to see price pull back, right? I wanted to look for that solid candle close above the pre-market highs, look for a pullback to then get long. So we ended up getting long. I believe my entry was at like 943. So halfway through this red candle as we dip down towards the 8 EMA, right? So here's our 8 EMA right here. Boom. So very strong, aggressive move up, right? And price pulls back. Now, typically when we get aggressive moves, I like to use that 8 EMA as a possible entry. But also on top of that, we had a fair value gap. And then on top of that, we had a Fibonacci retracement. There to there. And then on top of that, we had the halfway point between the fair value gap, also in this area. So overall, we had the 8 EMA, Fibonacci, fair value gap, halfway point, and also if we dip down a little lower, we had that pre-market high. So overall, this was a very high confluence area. And again, we entered around 943, which was halfway through this candle, and then we caught this very quick push up. And this was actually a lot, because if we're looking in NQ terms, this was 19,545 all the way up to 19,625, give or take. So beautiful, beautiful trade. I traded QQQ on this, but I know some people took NQ and got like 70 points, I think they said. Something stupid. So that was my only trade yesterday. And again, this was in the first 20 minutes of market open. So hopefully we can find a trade like that again today, because market is closed on Monday. I would like to start my weekend early, so we'll see. But let's go ahead and let's hop into the levels. Let's see what we can find today, and hopefully find a good setup. I didn't even realize we sold off like that at the end of the day yesterday. All right, let's see daily. Pretty much hit that daily 21 EMA, which is what I was looking for. 4-hour time frame. Don't really care about. 2-hour. Have 2 hours supply up here. So we can watch this area for a reject. All right, so 5, 6, 4, 7. Again, we do have PCE, so maybe PCE is going to push us through that. Hopefully not. But I do really like that level. 1 hour, don't see any bounces. Go back to 2 hour real quick. Nothing for bounces unless we get down towards that low. 30-minute. We also have a little bit of 30-minute supply inside of this zone. All right. 30. Yeah, you won't be able to get the pre-market high or low if you don't have after hours on. So like this area right here, ideally the beginning of the zones. So we have that 30-minute, we have that 2 hour, and then 45-minute. Nothing. Okay. So yeah, literally reject up here, bounce. I mean, this was yesterday's low. Maybe we can look for liquidity down there. But that's about it on ES. I don't really have any good bounces today. So that's everything there. Let's head on over to SPY. Again, good morning, everybody. If you guys haven't already in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 140 people in here, 43 likes. If you guys want some live day trading, oh my God, live day trading today, make sure you guys just hit that like button. Everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following as well. We go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. And we got some live day trading today, starting at 9:15, 9:20. All right, let's see. Boom. Boom. 2 hour. It depends if we get up there. We do have PCE, so I mean, we could. It just depends on the reaction. We might have to go back and find different levels depending on how large the reaction is. Yeah, still trying to get used to waking up even earlier in Colorado. So maybe the live start about like 8:10, 8:15. But that's why you guys got them bell notifications on. All right, so what was it? 2 hour. Here's our reject for today. Somewhere up in this area. If we get above it, obviously just look for that uptrend entry. Actually, if we get above it, we'll be right at that high. Is that all-time highs? Or no? No, it isn't. Okay. Then we have that push, and then also ES has that daily supply, which is ideally where I would like to see a reject, but that's kind of far away. We're about like 50 points away. Depending on PCE though, I mean we could get through it. I will tell you what, I really hate my Tesla out here. I really do. I want to get rid of it, but they first off they want like 5 grand a year for insurance out here for the Tesla, which is stupid. So I started looking at other cars and they want just as much in insurance for like a BMW or a Mercedes too. Corvette, all that stuff. They want the same amount in insurance. So it doesn't really make sense because then I would have to pay the tax credit back. But I will say it's very annoying charging the Tesla out here. Because it's also, the chargers are not close to where I live. They're like 20, 25 minutes away. So not ideal. We'll say that much. But I probably charge it every other day. It was every day, but now every other day. All right, so let's see, zoom out to the daily. Not much on the daily. 4 hour. We ended up bouncing this demand zone that we talked about right here. All right. So we bounced that daily demand right there. I got that daily, the 4 hour. Our 4 hour supply is up here. Perfect. We have a very nice 2 hour supply zone. Nothing on the 1 hour. Tiny one on the 30. Ideally would like to see the 2 hour one, but we'll see what happens here. Cool. There's that. And then very quickly before news, QQQ, and then we'll take a look at the individuals. I wanted my performance one. That's why. All right, so here is the 30. Tuh, I would be pissed in the winter, I'll tell you that. Especially because it gets so cold in Denver. Boom. All right. Cool. So there's our reject bounce. I mean, if we revisit this level down here, and then if we get above there, just look for that continuation up into this supply zone. Cool. All right, we got our news about to drop here in 1 minute. All right. Pull up yes. And again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. All the YouTube channel members in here, appreciate you guys as well supporting the channel. Nah, I don't like trucks. I would never own one, to be honest with you. Never ever. All right, let's see what we do of PCE. All right. I don't like G-Wagons either. That's probably like the last thing I would buy, to be honest with you. Only reason I would buy one of those would be for taxes. So far, not a big reaction. Oh yeah, it is the end of oh my god, I can't talk. End of month. There we go. Jesus. Somebody should just like record these live streams and make a little video of every time I stutter and sound like an idiot. Day. Alright, well. Does not look like we're doing much. Let's run through some individuals. See what we find. AMD don't care about. Apple, I think, is still going to be on the list. Yeah, I mean, I say we just keep Apple. It's been having that 4-hour squeeze, holding structure. I got the futures put up on the other screen, so I'll see if we start ripping. Amazon. Don't care about. Boeing. Don't care about. Coin. Don't care about. Google. Don't care about. IWM. Actually had a nice uptrend yesterday, but as far as an entry now, I mean, we do have that 4-hour squeeze. Maybe if we pull back closer to 219. So let's see, what is this? IWM. Let's see if we hold that structure. Meta. Same thing, doesn't look too bad. Could be a side watch. Microsoft, don't care about. Nvidia, don't care about. Qualcomm, just consolidating like crazy. Don't care about. Starbucks, sold off, don't care about. Tesla. Don't care about. There was something else I wanted to look at. Oh yeah, SMCI. I'm waiting for SMCI to get close to 357 because I'll rip some longs if we get down there. 357 all the way down to like 300 is my area. So I'll just like slowly add if we get down there. Do the equity. But cool. As far as individuals, Apple, IWM, Meta are the ones that I like. Let's get it. I didn't even look at the PCE news, to be honest with you. I just saw the reaction. All right. Let's finalize these levels real quick. Yeah, so reject up here, liquidity down there. Cool. I mean, you can join Team Bull and then just only trade with me. If that's what you want to only trade whenever I trade. SPY, reject up there, liquidity down here. And Q. Well, whenever we get down to that level, I'm ripping it. Ripping it like a frog. Liquidity down there, reject up there. QQQ. Liquidity up here, or whoops, liquidity down here, reject up here. That's good. And Apple, nothing on Tesla. All right, so Apple, possible uptrend entry. And then not like a specific level that I'm interested in, but It's not that far from all-time highs. And then I know they had news yesterday, which I think is actually why they sold off. Maybe not. But, all right, I like Apple. We'll put that on the list. And IWM, potentially. Now we're selling off based off the PCE. IWM, I think I'm just going to keep this like on the side and watch that 4-hour structure. And then we had Meta, potentially, which isn't my favorite. So, I like SPY, I like QQQ. But as far as like Apple and IWM, it's more so like structure that I'm going to watch. Alrighty. Let's get this. Tell you what, if you guys get 15 more likes, give you guys a watch list. And we'll 100% do some live day trading today. All right, so SPY. Reject, supply. $562.10 to 5.68 for shorts. No good bounces until potentially yesterday's lows. Q. Reject. 476.82, 477.8. We'll also watch 476.14. All right, so we got our supply up there. Bounce. Yesterday's low. Cool. I mean, ideally, like a good bounce would be down at 465.50, but we're far away from that. That's $10. I don't expect us to get down there today. I don't really think we have other news too. PMI consumer sentiment, so we'll see actually, but it ain't gonna be no $10. Maybe we get yesterday's low or the supply zone. That's about it. And then Apple. Still watching 4-hour structure. Ideally looking for uptrend entries. IWM, watching 4-hour speeds. Let's see what happened around 4-hour 21 EMA. Boom. That is the watch list, everybody. And you guys hit 100 likes. Look at you. I'll take 125 if you guys want to do that. Do we have a gap though? Oh, by like what, 20 cents or something like that? No, there's no gap on spot. To the downside, yeah. I think it was the SPX that had a gap, like a very, very tiny gap. All right, let's get these screenshots. Got you, Frank. SPY. We had, let's see, Apple. Oh, wait. Still watching that 4-hour. They do, but I don't see a downside gap until we get like way lower on SPY. Unless I'm tripping. Yeah, the gap is way down here. That's very far away. That's $10 away. I doubt we get down there. Might come into play next week. Apple IWM. Alrighty, let's see. Perfect. What am I doing? Finding setups. SPY, QQQ, Apple, and IWM. Alright, watch today. As always, a select only. Cool. All right, Team Bull, you guys got the watch list. YouTube channel members, you're about to get the watch list as well. Again, I do appreciate all the YouTube channel members supporting the channel. Boom. Ooh. All right, let's give you guys this watch list as well. And again, I'm going to be doing some live trading here in about 30 to 40 minutes. So if you guys haven't already, head on over to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys got them bell notifications on so you're notified whenever I go live, whenever I upload a brand new video. Because if you don't have that on, you're going to miss out. And again, we caught an absolute banger yesterday. We caught a nice trade the day before. So make sure you guys are up in here. Take advantage of all the free education I have on this YouTube channel as well. What do we got? 1,100. Yeah, 1,100 videos teaching you guys on how to trade. So make sure you guys are tapping in. But all right, here is the watch list. As always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. Sorry, I'm trying to read. Oh, I see. Okay. And as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. I am not responsible for any lost funds. So there's SPY, QQQ, Apple. I don't trade SPX to begin with. I don't like trading SPX. But yeah, give everybody a couple minutes to write that down. And then I'm going to go make some breakfast. What's up, Spy Slayer? What's up, what's up, what's up? The higher the time frame, the more, or the higher the probability. And yeah, again, we have a long weekend. The market will not be open Monday. So I'll tell you what, if you show up on Monday, I ain't going to be here. At me in the chat. There we go. But yeah, I'm probably going to take off like half of my Best Buy today. Maybe a little more, to be honest with you. Then just put the rest at break even. Chill. I looked last night, I was up like 1,400. I just did equity. Had a bunch of cash chilling, so did equity. See what we can sell it at this morning. Cool. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this pre-market stream. Again, I'll be live in about 30, 40 minutes for some live day trading. Make sure you guys are subscribed, bell notifications on. Everybody on TikTok, head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. The link is in my bio. But yeah, I'll talk.